And there in 9th of May 2025. Now, it was day say na ya kai aseme see some years back in 2001. Na 9th of May. Said the 9th of May and Accra House of Folk and a crop ya kumase Asante Kotoko. Our Accra Sports Stadium first na ne friend Ohene Jan no eho and na House of Folk and a Kotoko. Edi hye so na game no ko wie no ko wie 2-1 in favor of House of Folk. Na eno na Kotoko fans for no bia nto omo ho ase. Sha se to 2 bottles. Edit the mutu tunkunya yi no mato de ba park so. E kire se omani anye results na e baaye no ho. Either so omo demonstrate show omo love for the game, omo passion and emotions are we invested into the game. Now, and what you know, police for you say no, the air course on your case here stopping ye because you know so. But they didn't so cost so the bending and say you shall say to tear gas kakra di form say be ya tear gas in inti amount for bebo o mesuro no majai sa nyam na sem na omoye no we fans va on OldBoga TV. Mishrow, subscribe it, like it. We use our comment section because me nyanti ase. My dream was I can't think far and I can't think madness. Yes, sir, you be seen ne. It's my to go now. Say, man, never year 2-1 in favor of House of Folk. No reaction na react you know. Ebe seen ne. Egusu yeko. And tell na unze OldBoga TV de ba say Krobia kumasa santo koto kroya woni isu Atraman Football Club. The ongoing Ghana Premier League 2024-2025 season. Kotoko fan di Kotoko team na chi ko be bia o meko bia. Every home game bi oho, away game bi oho. Ye friend poli. Fans bi ko bo no ko ku no. Ya. Ebe sinde. Yenyen chi nipa na odi sa nyamra sem no. Na they see May 9th, 2001 no. In fact, in the history of football stadium disaster, number 2 on the list. Football stadium disaster Asia. Nipa wupa no. We they see on May 24th May 1968 between Peru as a nation and Argentina as a nation. And also they go here and say Peru fonya go na last minute. Now almost say how go the name go. And a referee anyantu. And Argentina winning ball. Fans no bu free. Chase to never park so. And a referee policeman for no omodina on office omuntimi control crowd minti no. Omo so koto tear gas. The same stadium exists exit here so omo fa hokon. Omo go do any ya lock. And then stampede ye force we bie gate na by force. Na man for chase to turn it man for so. Over 324 people ni we. The second one ADC or Ghana I am May 9 2001 between Asante Kotoko and House of Folk. As we nipe we 120. In fact, say a club site say a disaster be a see a doors pa a Ghana di. But ye nim kura no. Ye nim Kotoko fan police eko shitu nani because ye control crowd ni antman control. Ye nim Kotoko against Brekum Chelsea I will Brekum. Kotoko one of Kotoko executives supporters executives eko tutu e ma won show my chin bo no basa. Ye nim na anu yai after say Paul ekura we be esi wie yi I say ye and then Ghana for be so nyansa bi sense biu no ye nim de ko see ye between a friend say one two things be a work greater Accra omobo ye wie fa akunya ye de ko ball refriti ke ye ku na ansa na yen ko tie comment section no of the story na ekoda ho X and as me kan na Twitter the amount for omunim sa incident na see ye the omoka we fans ba ye na ye di ani ye hu na ye ka yen twema refu bia me kan kire ye frɛ Maxi Billian ɛna ɔfrɛ me amepe ɛme de pa na the fans ni bi kan mete na me rako asa amanfo abusuanom obi ne wofa obi ne yere obi ne papa obi ne maame ɛna efiri ɔmo nkwasa ada no first comment abrante friend Big Stormzy I say I can never forget this day. May the souls of the departed continue to rest in peace. Now, Nana Eze, on the same escort, I say till this day, that day is a reminder of how badly shaped our football is and has been, especially with officiating. I say referee for no, Mosa yen net, Mobon yen net, Mosa said you bribe yen net, Mosa said decided games, and more supporters a buffo, a try so yen net. Basically, never got the iOS. And then ye trap bet, ye the game no trap bet into referee, such in China time. Game ne favor one team. And I say a favor home team, a favor team of Wusika, and yen. Abrante friend is Sammy DDD. Nedino Sam. Also, Nidia can say I was in class 5. Then, never been to the stadium ever because of this Ghana. Because of this, Ghana is a crazy place. No, we're all class 5. Everyone say per age. So we did 6 years and now to make KG1. Everyone say KG1, KG2. After who was 7 years from class 1 base. When you're extra 5 years, I can't say no 12 years. 12 years nobody, no class 5. If it's hard than on Ghana Stadium that. Because on try so or what match entertainment. Now Obeba no kwa ne nia say ne nan say because of no onye ene onko kra Abrante friend JJ undeniably as I say you won't see how bad it was till you hear stories of the aftermath. Some went into coma but were part among those sent to the morgue. The videos from the morgue will break your heart. I will never forget this, though I was a kid. Or say they see as I don't know. Which and man kasa kura my experience be pain. Obi try to hokum wa fenti the coma and wako. Now out of nowhere, ya proclaim say we abra doctor e me gina no so fan fidie fancy ni so. Na yedi na ko mortuary. Nya ko ye ko sie no kwa. Se ne o ye kremoni kra de ne mortuary ne fa no nko. Straight, they dey go chef from. Inti o say 126 na ye count so mawu no. Ebi de na out of the shock any tiatia o mo so no. And mo twa coma. But ye declare mu na so mawu because no the whole lifeless. Ontimi nka no ye boni dia onye so. Inti ye wie no say wawu. Ani ko sie o mo. Ti ye pray ye hu kun amanfo a no mu yi. No mo tam so he. Eno na abrante fe JJ undeniably eso ka o ex no so abrante fe no big Mike o say I was in class 5 as a class 5 na mo do so pa I was in class 5 then returned home from school and following the radio commentary from late Mr. Ajay, a Kotoko fan. When Ismail Ado scored the winning goal, I went out to meet other Phobian supporters to celebrate our win, only to hear the report of 126 people dead. Time flies. Na say emreko mretwampa. Ono kwa kwagina ni keke. Because the team has to focus winning. Onko tia radio phone na sha tie tie team. Amanfo wo. Omro onyi nipa 127. All because Omako Stadium. So go House of Folk and ne Kotoko match. This is how Anna is so passionate about our games. Among folks so mubusa question, adenane Ghana League in Yempe, Yankwanko, you do Champions League, you do English Premier League, you do La Liga na Classico. Almost among for parking ma our bounty and more giant screen and TV kit wavy. But do Kotoko as in Kwanda among phone call. Look, Ghana Football Association President, Ketiye Sokraku. Reason no and for Nayan Kaida. Na kai di nti amanfo mpewo ball no ahwe di nti o ka se yem bring back the love love no yentimi mfamma because they see May 9th 2001 ebesi ne no ensesan ye hwinsesan mugu so amoye sa anya mransem na sebi sa jimi na home team bia fili say so the team win se the team win e say e bu referee ugo bu sa referee the winner say omra sunya konechi ba wa so oma adan a obedi game bia United and win ya ko che na de kaki e de ko che na so say sunya for no de man de wonye kra ho de mintu obi afo so wonko o di kiss pake wo masumu nya e de wo mosake kan me a me ko fie mere ana nu aso hie de miamia me ye gitum ama ebedu bebi na efra bia United ne bofo se Palestinian for ne Israel for because abort what the omo ye number 1 in my abort top why that what was here and one ye didi ma ye de akupole yi amana free mon cat as for as esu biwi and one di me yonko ana me ne ye aduma awo radio so ene o US Crucial Mohammed na ni ba ko say enye ne papa na o ye doctor sa time no ye itimi fast tracking me ma ebo ma yani no ye replace ye and man be the natural eye na me no me no no ndi o hwe wa abeka so hwe ni baby all because of hooliganism because supporters ebo nyu bi so a this o mo react ebesin na ye ntimi pay solution bia ntimi buso they see your main nine disaster ni mu I see a suya de afrimu afi bia no ye celebrate no den na ye suya afrimu ye guso ye bu ni pakunu ye guso ye bu referees ye bu players ye bu ye nyanko supporters all because the results now nkwose de pair automatically Ghana Stadium constitution ye adwuma ho so obi abo na bi ma ko bu no stadium ho hwinsi adenti ana ye aggression no ye ntimi fa nko ma mpanimfo a ya to aba ma as MPs ministers a omunye omadwuma no mu boy kro no ye ntimi fa nko mo so ye fa nko so fo otwa ntra tere so ye de ko no so ne supporter a player a referee ana ye di sense mu na besi nde ketie so kraku wo se ye bo o first time o manifesto ka che se o ba boa atreni club bia so benya stewards including policemen a o metima boa ma ambambo no beko nkan aden na onyeye FA president ye second vice president Makaf yesrew aden na onyeye aden na eguso ye gu amanfo ye bu amanfo ku amanfo ma enne omo a truly ombe so mo hwe Ghana football no omo nyi eni atenka bia so mekọ ye stadium because okokoduru honkon ade yetimi bo no yetimi panani yetimi kunu enzade on ha no ho onko obehwe Champions League anase obehwe a friend say English Premier League, La Liga, Bundesliga, and League One, and say if it's Italian Serie A. Winning net the fans eka our fans via on OldBoga TV. Be sure subscribe it. Turn on the notification button now. Na sa ko Facebook. Na make sure say hustle be follow e. Na wa like it. Na we am sure dey hear me park se pa. Their comment na do comment section ase. Me be se me say yesua bibia free mu. Anase die na yenye na yensua bibi mfiri mu se da be ya yes na edi enim no people will have the appetite to go and watch Ghana Premier League from Maxi Billian. This is fans via on OldBoga TV. Makramo.